My name is Brian. I'll be your furniture repair technician. Today I'll show you how to add fill material to upholstered pieces. Over time, the Dacron filling inside of an upholstery piece will compress, causing the cushion, armrest, or headrest to compress. In this piece, the issue is with the right hand facing seat back. To begin, I'll assess the piece, doing an informal compression test with my hands to locate the area which needs to be filled. Next, I'll locate the cushion's zipper and open it, revealing the interior stuffing. This is what the filling material looks like outside of the cushion. It's soft, springy, and fibrous. I'll push this loose material into the cushion, filling it to the desired level and ensuring that the fill reaches each corner of the pillow. To complete the repair, I'll re-zip the cushion before giving it a final fluff to ensure even distribution. That's how you add fill material to upholstered pieces. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your furniture.
Thanks for watching Revive. You'll find links to all the products we used in today's video down in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. You can also visit us at revivefs.ca to learn more about our professional furniture repair services. And if you're ready for more, there are videos on screen right now that we think you'll enjoy.